Let's put together our trombone today. The trombone has three basic parts: the body, the slide, and the mouthpiece. We'll start by putting the body and the slide together. They fit together into one trombone. When we do this, we have to find the correct side to fit together. The taller one is usually the one that will fit into the body. The other one is for the mouthpiece. There's often a collar to screw into place to help hold it all together. I was careful when I put the two pieces together not to let them bump into each other. The bell hitting the slide could dent it. I don't want that to happen. I want to be very careful with everything so it doesn't bump into anything, not even its own parts. Now, the next thing I want you to notice is the L shape between the body and the slide. It makes the corner of a square. When I hold it in my left hand and put it over my left shoulder, the mouthpiece opening should be on top. Then I can add the mouthpiece in. Just setting it in, maybe a little bit of a twist to make sure it's not going to fall out. In fact, after every song that I play, I'm always loosening it up just to make sure it's not getting jammed in or stuck into place. Now, I said that there are three pieces, but there are really four, because the slide has the inner slide and the outer slide, which can come apart. If they do, I need to make sure that I put them back together the correct way, carefully getting the inner slides into it. I can tell if it's the correct way because most trombones have a latch, a lock. There's a piece on the moving slide and a rotating piece with a hook. I always keep that hooked or locked so that it won't fall off when I'm not holding on to it. I would not want my slide to fall off. Another way to tell is that the water key is at the bottom. When I need to empty out the extra water from the slide, I want it to be on the bottom so it will drip straight out into a garbage can. And there you have a trombone all put together, ready to play. Good luck putting your trombone together.